In the heart of Guizhou, nature carved a divide.
The Sancha River Valley. Beautiful, but a nightmare for engineers.
To connect the isolated regions of Zijin and Guiyang, a path had to be forged here.
Precision is the only option when you are building 285 meters above the water.
The plan: the Najiehe Railway Bridge, a massive steel truss arch spanning 810 meters.
But before the steel could rise, the ground had to be tamed.
There were no roads, so they built them.
Limited space meant every square meter had to be calculated. The weather in Guizhou is unpredictable. High winds and scorching sun. But the timeline was tight. The work could not stop.
Day and night, they prepared the foundations. The unstable rock had to be cleared to reach solid bedrock. Enormous steel cages were sunk deep into the earth. Thousands of tons of concrete poured to anchor the giant that would soon rise.
The stage was set. Now, they had to go up.
The approach piers. These concrete giants would hold the track leading to the arch.
Using climbing formwork, the piers rose meter by meter.
It takes skilled hands to weave the steel skeleton.
Some piers reached 56 meters in height, towering over the slopes.
One slip here is not an option.
Atop the piers, unique T-beam structures were cast to balance the load. But the gap remained. How do you build a bridge over nothing?
The answer: a highline cable crane system.
Two 120-meter-tall towers were built just to lift the bridge pieces.
It started with a single thin line flown across the gorge. That line pulled a rope, which pulled a cable, until a highway of steel spanned the sky.
This system would act as a sky crane, capable of lifting hundreds of tons.
The operator, hundreds of meters away, controls the heartbeat of the project.
The system is tested. It holds.
On the ground, the arch was born in segments. Precision welding ensures these joints will last a century.
A millimeter of error on the ground becomes a meter of error in the air.
The first lift. The moment of truth. Slowly, the steel defies gravity. Suspended 285 meters above the Sancha River.
The receiving team waits.
The first piece is anchored into the canyon wall. Bolted down with force enough to hold a skyscraper.
The roots of the arch are planted. The schedule is relentless. The night shift begins. Day after day, the process repeats.
Lift. Travel. Lower.
The wind is the enemy.
Workers fight the breeze to align the massive load.
Alignment must be perfect. Steel meets steel.
This is the cantilever method. Building out into nothing, supported by stay cables.
Temporary cables hold the arch arms back, preventing them from falling.
The tension is monitored constantly. A giant web of steel supports the growing bridge.
For these men, the sky is their cafeteria.
Rain makes the steel slippery, adding to the danger.
Inside the truss, it's a maze of metal.
Up 352 meters of main span, piece by piece.
Engineers check the coordinates. They must meet exactly in the middle.
Sensors report real-time stress data to the control room.
Finally, the keystone, the final piece of the arch.
The two arms reach out for each other. The closure. Precision engineering triumphs over nature. The arch is now one continuous structure. A steel rainbow over the Wujiang River. With the arch self-supporting, the temporary cables are removed. The bridge now stands on its own strength. 810 meters of total length, a monument to human will. But the work isn't done. Now we must build the track. Vertical columns are installed on top of the arch. These columns will support the railway deck above.
The geometry changes with every meter.
The deck beams are laid across the columns. A flat path is created in the sky. A complex geometry of steel. Concrete is pumped up to form the base of the railway,
creating a level surface for the high-speed trains.
The bridge connects directly into mountain tunnels on both ends.
Safety barriers are installed.
protecting the steel from the humid river air.
Every bolt, every weld, every rail is inspected.
The structure is complete.
Now comes the Iron Monster, the track-laying machine.
It lays sleepers and rails in one smooth motion.
The alignment must be perfect for high-speed travel.
Ballast stones lock the track in place. The tamping machine vibrates the stones to create a solid bed.
Continuous welded rail ensures a smooth, quiet ride.
Smoothing the path. Power lines are strung to feed the electric locomotives.
The lifeline of the railway.
A nervous system for the bridge.
Monitoring temperature, wind, and vibration.
The temporary towers, their job done, are dismantled.
The construction scar heals, leaving only the monument.
The first test.
Hundreds of tons moving across the span. The bridge holds firm. The flex is within millimeters of prediction.
Speed tests begin.
A flash of movement against the static mountains.
The view from the cab is breathtaking.
A tiny speck on a massive feat of engineering.
For the locals, the world just got smaller.
Travel times slashed. Connectivity restored. The NextGen Bridge is more than steel and concrete. It is a victory of calculation over chaos.
Warning. One of the longest arch bridges in the world.
Standing strong through wind, rain, and fog.
Today, it carries thousands of passengers safely.
Mirroring its beauty in the Dongfeng Reservoir. A beacon in the darkness of the Gizu Mountains.
From a rough sketch to a megastructure. Built by the hands of thousands. A vital artery in China's high-speed network. Where nature meets engineering. The NextGen Railway Bridge.
Connecting the unconnected.
Completed in 2016, standing for generations.
A masterpiece in the canyon.
A shining example of modern infrastructure.